Welcome students. In this question you're given that you have two rectangular coordinate systems and you have one plane, and in one coordinate system the plane makes intercepts A, B, C on the coordinate axis. In the other system the intercepts on X, Y and Z axis are A dash, B dash and C dash, and these two coordinate systems have the same origin. So if that is so, what is the condition connecting A, B, C and A dash, B dash, C dash? So one of the conditions that connects these two is the perpendicular distance from origin does not change. Because the origin is not changing, the plane is not changing. Just the orientation of coordinate system is changing. So the distance from origin does not change. So what is the distance from origin of this? 1 by root of 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square. Constant term by root of X coefficient square plus Y coefficient square plus Z coefficient square is same as 1 by root of 1 by A dash square plus 1 by B dash square plus 1 by C dash square. So on comparison, 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square minus 1 by A dash square minus 1 by B dash square minus 1 by C dash square is equal to 0. Thank you.